Hey, what's up guys? David here from Dignited. Today I'm going to show you how to locate your lost Roku remote. Now, if you've ever found yourself hunting for that remote, stick around because I've got some great tips to help you find it. Alright, let's dive right into it. Alright, so first things first, Roku offers a handy feature called the Lost Remote Finder, but it only works with compatible remotes that have a built-in speaker, specifically the Roku Voice Remote Pro. To check if your remote is compatible, look for small speaker holes at the back of it. Alright, so here is my Roku Voice Remote Pro, and as you can see, it has these small speaker holes, and therefore it can work with this feature. Now, if your remote doesn't have it, then you have to purchase a new remote from either the Roku accessory store or from Amazon. That's why you can get the Roku Voice Remote Pro. Alright, now there are three ways you can find your lost Roku remote. One, using the Roku mobile app, and then two, using a voice command, and then three, using the lost remote finder button on your Roku streaming device. Now, when you activate the lost remote finder, your remote will emit a sound for up to 60 seconds. Once you find your remote, just press any button to stop the sound. Now keep in mind that the lost remote finder will not work if the batteries are dead, or if the rechargeable battery is too low, or if the remote is out of range of your wireless network. Alright, now let's get started with the Roku app. If you're going to use the Roku app to find your lost Roku remote, then you'll need to have the app already installed and set up with your Roku device. I have already made a video on how to do this, so check it out if you haven't already. Alright, so if you have already set up the Roku app with your streaming device, simply open the Roku app here, okay? And then just make sure that your device is connected. So for my case, I have the bedroom Roku here. Alright, so I'm just going to tap on this cross icon, and as you can see, I have my Roku Streaming Stick Plus and the TCL Roku TV, but for these purposes I'm using the Roku Streaming Stick Plus right here. So tap on these three dots right here, okay, and just down here tap on ping remote. Okay, yes, so you can see it has located my remote right here and it's making that sound. So to stop that sound, just press any button on your remote. Right. So alternatively, you can also find the remote from the TV itself using the Roku app. Okay, so tap on the device again, and now we're going to use the app's remote right here to navigate to settings on the TV. Okay, then come to remotes right there. Okay, tap on remotes, and then come to Voice Remote Pro right here, okay, and then just scroll down to find remote right here, okay. Yeah, so just tap on any button again on the remote to silence that sound. Right. You can also find your lost Roku remote using a voice command, but this only works if you've enabled the hands-free voice feature on your Roku remote. And this hands-free voice feature is actually just right here on the side, and you can just toggle it on and off, okay? So this feature should have been turned on your Roku Voice Remote Pro for this to work. Now, assuming it was already turned on, now you can issue a voice command to find your remote, and all you have to say is, "Hey Roku, find my remote." Okay, and there you go. Again, let's just press any button to silence that sound. Alright, now let's move on to the third method, which is using your streaming player. Now, if you have the Roku Ultra, you can use the physical lost remote finder button located at the top or on the side of the player. Simply press this button to activate the lost remote finder. Now I don't have the Roku Ultra with me, and therefore I can't demonstrate this for you, but it is really a very straightforward process. All you have to do is to locate that button and press it, and once you do that, you will hear that sound on your Roku Remote Pro, and you can silence it after. Alright, that wraps up our tutorial on how to find a lost Roku remote. Now remember, you need the Roku Voice Remote Pro to use this feature. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and hit the bell icon to get notified about future videos. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.